Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two triangles. The first one is a red triangle, the other one is blue, confined in a circle, as you can see in this diagram. And moreover, these vertices A, B, C, D, and E are on the circle. And this angle DOE is 98 degrees. And furthermore, these chords AC and DE are equal in length. And now we are going to calculate this angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's go ahead and draw some auxiliary lines by connecting this center O with these vertices A and C, as you can see in this next diagram. And now let's recall a crucial fact. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. And since these two chords are equal in length, so therefore this angle with this center is going to be same as this 98 degrees. So therefore this angle is 98 degrees. So therefore this angle AOC turns out to be 98 degrees, as you can see over here. And now let's recall the central angle theorem. According to this theorem, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So therefore in our case, for this arc AC, this angle AOC is our angle with the center, and this angle ABC is the angle at the circumference. So if this angle is 98 degrees, then this angle X has got to be half of that one. That is going to be 49 degrees. Thus we conclude that our angle X turns out to be 49 degrees. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.